What's up guys, welcome back. Bobby, the greatest manager in the music business, some say. So let's draw him. Landscape page, pencil, eraser, hit pause. If I go too fast, when I start his eyes. So, kind of big eyes. So, we go up. And then it kind of curves down, across the top and down. Kind of like that. Right, and then he's kind of smiling, right? So it goes sort of back in this way. Kind of curvy. Sort of that sort of shape. Kind of looks like a capital letter D sort of a thing. And then his sort of eyelashes on the top. So you kind of want to thicken up this line. And he does have like eyelashes like sticking up here, right down to the back. Okay, and then big brown eyes. So a circle kind of coming up from the bottom eyelid. Okay, and then a big pupil in the middle. Okay, not so much in the way of eyelid lines. There's like a little, it looks a bit blurry, but like a little sort of suggestion of an eyelid kind of line there, maybe. And then eyebrows, so kind of high up, so sort of up here. They kind of curve down. So they go sort of down this way. Okay, that's like the bottom line of it. And then we get like a little bit of hair up here. And it just follows that trajectory sort of down again. Down to there. You could have some like textures in there if you wanted. So other eye, just over here, we go curve it again. Pretty much following this sort of same sort of shape. And you can like roughly fit an eye in between, like the white of his eye, sort of in between both eyes, just if you're wondering how far across to go. It's about an eye width. And then we go up. It curves down again. And then this sort of bumpy, kind of curving up and down a little bit. It's not like a major curve, but it's not like perfectly straight either. And then he's got these eyelash sort of lines just here. So trying to make this look a bit darker and thicker and a little bit hairy. Big brown eye then. Circle just coming up from the bottom eyelid. And then his pupil somewhere in the middle. Right, and then a bit of a top eyelid line, like a little bit just here. Not much though. Then we get another eyebrow. Kind of hairy. And then the trajectory of it is like down this way. Like similar to that one. Kind of goes behind his hair there. Might as well draw it in anyway. You can put a few textures on it if you want it. So his nose, all the small noses in K-pop, so it kind of goes this way, right? You could get like the tip of his nose a little bit here. And then we have sort of like a nostril sticking out there, and then a nostril on the other side. And then just like the skin of his nose just here. And then there. That's kind of all the detail you need for his nose. Some people might like to add like, you know, some little sort of hatching just on the bridge of it, kind of just to show that it's kind of curving down a bit. Sometimes, but you don't want to draw too much with noses. Does he have a little, he might have a little curve here actually. Just between the nostrils. Alrighty. So, big smile. Big smile on Bobby. So, that's him texting me, telling me it's a great drawing. So, this goes this way. Curves around like that. It's kind of, well, it's kind of flat and diagonal, right? So it kind of looks like a smirk at first, as if he's got like a little smirk just there. But then we got to open it up. So we just go like so. And then we can just see kind of teeth in here. So we put a bit of a shadow like that, right? Just there, and then you could do kind of teeth like this, just like a little broken line just coming across. And that's kind of all you need to do for teeth. And then he has sort of facial hair just here, like on top. A little bit of a bottom lip line, maybe just a suggestion of it. He's not like the other characters anyway, like it's not like very big sort of lipstick lips and makeup and stuff. It's kind of just normal. So it's like a light lip line. So kind of like that. And then his chin. He's very soft features, but we'll give him a chin. Okay. And a very round face. So it just goes like this way and kind of up. Like so. He's got quite long hair in here. And then he's got like a goatee sort of going on here as well. So just up here we have sideburns, just like a little V here. And a little V here. And then he's got like hair that comes down over his ear. So it like curves that like this. And then his ear comes down. And we get some ear lines inside. And then kind of the same on this. There's actually longer hair here. Let's see if I did this sort of curvy hairline there. Another sort of spike sticking down here. And then the ear comes out from there. So it goes that way. Sort of ear lines like that. Then, so his hair, right? So we get like a V sort of in the middle of his forehead, sort of say here. Short forehead, like it's not too high up. Normally it's the same size as your nose, but his one's like slightly a bit more maybe. Like, I mean, his nose is bigger than the forehead. So it's just up here. And then we zigzag across for his hairline. And then we get hair spikes coming out, so they kind of like curve up and down. And then sort of back up. And the other side. So we'll go he joins that one maybe. There's all texture lines just in here. And then we get more of this. So there's like, on this side especially, it sticks up quite a bit. Seems to then just come down. Side of his head here. All these hair spikes like coming down this way. And then we get one like sticking up the middle. Like a little bump in the back. And we go around the other way. All sorts of texture lines and stuff inside. Just adding some texture to the hair, make it look hairy. And then he has some bits that kind of come down behind his ears, right? So just kind of these bumpy sort of things. Seems to like sit on his shoulders, sort of just down there. Right, so neck. Collar of his t-shirt. Like some neck sort of muscle lines there. And then his jacket lines coming down either side. And then we have the collar of it. It's like a V sort of a thing. Big jacket collar. And out this way as well. And his shoulders are kind of hunched up in this pose, the way his body is in this picture. So go up and down. I'm gonna do like a shoulder line, maybe just there. It's all black and gold and stuff in the movie, but that's kind of just, you could do it just black, of course, because he's got like all these sequence circles and all this detail, but we'll keep it simple. Right there he is, the character you've all been waiting for. Some of you. Bobby from Kpop. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you next one. Bye.